All right. So here we go. Spotlight here. Um, Also give answers for your situational writing also. Of course, you can do better. Of course, you can do better, right? That's just suggested answer. Just follow through how your teacher teaches you in school. Basically, it's more of revision at this stage. Yeah. I'm so sure in school right now you're doing your PSLE papers, you're doing exam papers from other schools, right? Teachers are doing a lot of intensive revision, and because your oral is so close in school, your teachers may be focusing on the trees, TREES, right? On the trees. And I went through with you the composition, the oral, not I went through, but the other teacher would have gone through the oral before, etc. Right? So this week and next week we'll be very, very busy with quite a lot of oral revision in school, right? And I'm so sure your teacher will also do a lot of revision for synthesis and all that. So near here for 88 tuition, you just try and do all the worksheets given. You do first, then check the answers they will give to you. Then when you come, right, it's just explanation. All right, can if you want to do compo, as mentioned to you, I give you a special number. You can do compo or situational writing that was given to you. You can submit it to that special number. It's not my number, it's 88 tuition number. You just give to that number. Then the person who owns that number, right, will take all the questions, all the compo, and pass to me. I mark and return to you. Is it okay? Can? So that's how it works. Okay. But if you don't want, if you have no time to do, you try. If let's say you really have no time to do because you say, teacher, in school we do so many already. We are doing so many. So okay, fine. At least you listen in and then look at all the good essays that we go through in this tuition. Okay, Ken, let's move. Now, what we're going to do today is question 1 to 5. Hold on, let me just get my pen. I go down to the pen here. So as mentioned, if you have problem, you can ask me, no problem. And if you want to, if you have more questions, it's okay. Then I meet you after lesson. Okay, Ken? Because if not, there will be too many questions and then the lessons cannot go on. Okay, we go on. Question 1 to 5, vocabulary close, MCQ. So I think you know, vocabulary close is number 11 to number 20 in your PSLE booklet, correct? Or your examination, your prelim, all that is number 11 to number 20. The vocabulary close in the section A, right? They can be very, very tough, right? So if you do the PSLE or the exam papers, and over here, you take note of all the good vocabulary that's been taught. So in school, you do a lot already, right? So if you have an exercise book, you can add. Okay, so whatever you learn for tuition, also you add. Is it okay? Can? The next one is grammar close. This grammar close is more for your section B, right? Section B, number 29 to number 38. Remember, 10 marks. Yeah, 10 marks for the grammar close. And then situational writing is paper 1, section B. Correct? So situational writing, they didn't specify the timing, but schools would advise you not to go beyond 15 minutes to write this. If not, if you write too long for situational writing, problem is you may not have time to complete your section C, your continuous writing. And continuous writing carries more weight than situational writing. Not that situational writing is not important. Situational writing is important. But situational writing, if you try, right, you notice something. It's easier to score than continuous writing. Correct or not? Your content, you can get 6 upon 6. Yeah. And then your language use also, you can get as high as 6, right? You can get a very good mark for situational writing, as long as you don't miss out any details. Can? Don't miss out any details. And then when you are writing it, please write in simple sentences. Some students write long sentences. No need. You just write in simple sentences. You can understand the details. You don't miss out. You can score a good mark for situational writing. Okay? I think you would know how to do because you have done a lot in school. Okay, let's move on. Instructions, answer all questions, type all questions in the given spaces. Let's go. All right. Okay, so 88 house rules, because I will still, although you will only see my face, I will also still do this once in a while, right? To see if you are there and you are listening in, or you have any queries for me. Okay, so 88 house rules. It is compulsory to turn on your video, mute your microphone, right? Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. I think some students, right, they put their computer higher because they want to write. Sure, can. If you want, you put higher and you want to write, it's okay. It's fine. As long as you turn it on, right? And then unless some students would tell me earlier on that the video is not working, it's broken, all that. Some parents say cannot work, blah, blah. Sure, sure, no problem. If it cannot work, then what can I do, right? So we just leave it like that. So please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. Ask question, answer question, share feedback. Now, for the last two, 3 sessions, right, some people actually type in some things that's not very nice and some things that's very strange to me, right? Can we refrain from doing that for tuition? Because you have to take it very seriously that we are sitting for PSLE, okay? And that if you want to ask questions, it will be questions that is like, questions that is not trying to ask the teacher certain things that is can be offensive, okay, can. So we take it seriously that we are sitting for PSLE. Like in your class, your teacher will also be very upset, right, if you ask questions that is or state some things that it's got nothing to do with the worksheet itself. All right, so I hope that we just follow through this. Okay, Ken, thank you very much. But mostly, most of you are okay. Most of you actually give good feedback. Okay, because I think you are quite ready to sit for your prelim already. Yeah, so quite ready, and then you're seriously taking this seriously. Okay, sorry, I need to see just now somebody came in. Well, who is your name? Can you chat with me, please? I just need to know who you are. Let me see. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Me, Joseph. Ken, hi, Joseph. Hi. Wait. I will mark your attendance later. Okay, Joseph? I will take your attendance. Okay, we go on. Thanks. Yeah. So now I just go through first. All right. If you need to be excused toilet break, please inform the teacher and return ASAP. Okay. Be mindful to be respectful. Please do, because this is online lesson and students are going to be affected by the things that you say that is not nice. If you have if you have pertinent questions, stay back afterwards later. Then you can ask me and I can go through with you one-to-one. Okay. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. Okay, I go through now. Next. Wait. Okay, Ken. So we're covering vocabulary close, we're covering grammar close, and we're covering situational writing. All right, so vocabulary close now. So just to go through with you, what's it about, right? Okay, so this is vocab. One widely held theory. What's a theory? You can write down the meaning for theory if you don't know, right? In your notebook. Okay, because sometimes I go quite fast. Some students say, teacher, wait, I haven't finished. So you just say like that, teacher, wait, please go back. Sure, I will go back. Okay, I will not go so fast because like some students are copying. Some students will be copying the words or the meanings. Okay, one widely held theory about the purpose of dreams, okay, is that they help you store important memories and things you have learned and sort through complicated thoughts and feelings. What's the meaning of theory? Theory means idea, all right? It's an idea used to account for a situation or justify a course, C-O-U-R-S-E. Sorry for my language, for my words. For my writing, people, course. I mean, change it. Course. Okay, of action. So theory may not be true. All right, theory may not be true. Cause like and theory can be challenged actually. Not that I want you to challenge it, but theory may not be true at all. Okay, may just be an idea. So for example, right, the theory, here example, the theory of Darwin's theory, where theory of evolution, right? That humans come from primates. Now, some people actually challenge that theory now. Okay, challenge that. How can you say this? They question here and there. So basically, theory may not be true. All right, it's just an idea. That's about all. All right. Okay. So the word widely, right? As you know, wide means wide, right? So it covers from one side of a place to another side of a place. So that's wide. So question is, can it be totally broad? Cannot be totally right, because totally is from one end to another end, everything. So totally means everything, so it's out. We cannot take that as an answer. Completely also everything, so cannot, right? Narrowly is an antonym. What's an antonym? Antonym means opposite. Yeah, so I think by now you know the meaning for antonym. Means opposite of wide. wide and narrow, right? Wide and narrow. So it's an antonym. Basically, we cannot take A, we can't take C, and we can't take D, right? So our answer should be, so it's that you are using elimination method. Okay, you are using elimination method. All right, to do this. It's actually quite simple, not too difficult. Yeah, totally means fully, complete means fully, narrowly is antonym, so broadly will be your answer. Broad, wide. Yeah, broad and wide. I think you know the meaning, then you shouldn't have a problem. Next, purpose. Okay, there's a difference between all these words. So one widely held theory about the purpose of dreams, right? So what is a purpose? A purpose is a goal. But then say, goal is the answer. Wait a minute. Okay. A purpose is a goal, but the goal is a broad, long-term goal. All right. There's a difference. There's a difference. Okay, wait. Oh, answer for number one. Oh, okay. The answer for number one is this. Wait a minute. I think you missed it. Wait, I go up. Here, broadly. Okay, I didn't write down. I tick B. Maybe you can't see. It's okay. Then I write down here, okay? B is your answer. Got it? I tick again. You okay? Can, all right. So if no time to do, then you can do together with me. It's fine, no problem. If you've got time to do, meaning you have done it and you already know the answers. All right. But maybe you want some clarification. All right. The next one. Purpose. What's the difference between purpose and goal? So broader long-term goal. So you see, it's a goal, but it's broader and long-term. That's the purpose. That's the meaning of purpose, right? But the purpose of dreams is that they help you store important memories and things you have learned and sort through complicated thoughts and feelings, right? So the dream somehow is important, right? Some people sleep, but they don't dream, right? So what is a goal? What's the difference? This means, this purpose means broader and long-term goal. The goal here, just a goal, if it's just a goal, what is your goal? What is your goal right now, right? So your goal is to do very well for your prelim example, and then do even better for PSLE, right? So it's specific target, okay, that you aim to achieve. It's specific. But then purpose, right? It's broader and long term. Yeah. So that's why there's a difference. That's why the word is also different, right? Purpose and goal. How about issue? I think you know the meaning of issue, okay? A particular issue at hand. So a particular, maybe you discuss something, a topic, right? Then point. All right. So what do you think? What about points here? Or widely held, so we can put it in. Already we know goal is not an answer, right? So held theory about the issue of dreams. Can dreams be an issue? No, totally different. Issue is a topic and purpose is a goal, but a broad and long-term goal. So issue is already out, right? So we try again. Plan. What is a plan? A plan is a strategy, right? I think if you play chess, you would know you need some strategies. Even if you don't play chess, play some games, right? You need to have strategy. Online game also need to have some strategy, right? So you need a plan. So can we say that widely held theory about the plan of dreams? Okay. So the correct answer is C. Okay. Yep, C is the answer. I take for you. All right. On a widely held theory about the purpose of the point of dream. What's your point? Right? What's your point? So the point of dreams is that they help you store important memories and things you've learned and sort through complicated thoughts and feelings. This is the closest answer to purpose. All right. Goal is not, because goal, as mentioned just now to you, goal is specific target, right? But purpose is a broader and long-term goal, right? So the closest answer is point. So same thing when you're doing vocabulary, the answers may not, needs to be precise, all right? Needs to be precise, but in this case, right, point will be the best answer. I stop here for a while. Are you okay so far, so good? Can? Are you all right? Can you just give me a thumbs up if you're okay? Or somebody can say yes if you're okay. Participants? Okay, Ken. Thank you, Dilayo. Thanks. Okay, can go on to the next one. Next. I think you know meaning of recall, right? If you don't know, you look at this. Research shows that sleep helps some store memories. If you learn new information and sleep on it, you'll be able to recall. So what's recall? Recall cannot be reproduced, right? You learn science, yeah? You know, reproduce is different from recall. Recall means the word means to do again, right? To call, so recall, it means to remember. Okay, I think it got, yeah, come out. Okay, can? If let's say because of internet connection problem, if you get, if